Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a HUAWEI Pura 70 Ultra, and let me share with you how to clear the browser on this device. So let's start with opening the browser. In my case it will be this default browser which is pre-installed on the device, so let me tap on it, and here all we have to do is to tap on this 4 dots icon in the right upper corner. Now let's tap on the settings. And here we have to find this section Advanced. At the very bottom of it we've got Clear Browsing Data option, so let's tap on it, and here we will be transferred to the list of the items we can remove. Those are marked by a default, and those I would say here we've got some basic options like the history, browsing history of course, and cached pages, and under it we've got the advanced options like cookies, passwords, site settings, and homepage and news cache. So all you have to do is to remove something is to mark the option. So as you can see, I will remove everything and then tap on clear data at the bottom. Let's tap on clear, and as you can see we've got this information, which means that we just successfully removed everything. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.